It's early morning, but already the sun is streaming through the windows. I don't know if you can see the lights. Yeah, streaming through the windows, but I want to start editing. And then I'm going to get my shower before I start today's adventure. So we'll catch you later. So it's a new day, it's a new dawn, it's a new life, and we're feeling good. Do you have makeup about Well, it's, what time is it? Let's see. It's 9:45 and we're getting ready to go down to breakfast. So we'll catch you there. Well, guess what happened? We had booked and paid for breakfast at the Premier Inn, and their breakfast is between 7 and 11 a.m. So we booked to come down for breakfast at 10. We joined the queue when we came, and unfortunately, there was a gentleman explaining that they had run out of breakfast because this lovely sunshiny weather and half term happened to fall in the same week, so lots of families booked in, I suppose, at last minute to the hotel, and so they underestimated, so there was no breakfast. So here we are. We had to go to, what is it, Weatherspoon? Yeah, Weatherspoons for breakfast, which now turns out to be our day date, because after that we just had, for the rest of the day, all sorts of other little stuff. But this is us, Leisa, Shali, Joe, Julianne, looking at the menu and deciding what we wanted to offer. What we wanted for breakfast, not to offer, at Weatherspoon. Right, so we're ready for the ratings. For the food, I'd give mine 7. I had vegetarian sausages, fried eggs, toast, hash brown, beans, and cooked tomatoes and mushroom. My favorite bit was the hash brown. I didn't like the veggie sausages. My rating would be 7 for the food and 5 for hospitality and about 6 for the ambience, the overall experience.
I'm just rating it a 3 overall.
Overall, everything. How much was it? 3.
The only part I liked was the hash brown and the drinks, but apple juice. Can't fault apple juice.
I just feel like lunch here would be better. I asked for some water and I'm still waiting, and that was before the food was even delivered. Still waiting. We finished eating and still no water. In terms of rating for the food, maybe a 6. I don't like this sort of breakfast. And customer service 5 or 4. And what was the ambience? Okay, it's not too crowded. We had to stand outside in the sun for a bit before we could get a table, which was okay. Inside isn't too crowded. I'll wait. The ambience, 7 of it. So after breakfast, we walked down to the seaside, and it was there that we saw lots of people sitting by and just enjoying the sunshine. So we spread our towels out and just joined them as well, and had some laughs, took some selfies and other photographs. So we have memories of our beautiful day on our Wednesday day date in Brighton. it was after this as well that Shirley gave her rating for the breakfast, because she didn't want anybody in Weatherspoon to hear us and feel bad about the rating that we gave. So she gave hers. Yeah, so let's hear Shirley's review now.
My review of Weatherspoons, I would say that the food for me was like a 6. I didn't get anything crazy. I just got hash browns and corn sausages, which I already love, and toast. The toast was a little bit cold though. Ambience, it was alright. I'd give that an 8. Overall, I'd give the place a 7. It's not too bad.
Okay. So now we're separated a bit from Wednesday day date because Jo went back to the room because she needed to. Shirley and Julian and myself stayed on at the beach, but now we've left and we've been in.
Shirley went back to the room. Huh? Shirley went back to the room.
Okay, Shirley went back to the room now, and Julian and I, we went into Costa. What's that?
The Ruby Hot Chocolate Frostino.
Ruby Hot Chocolate Frostino. And now we're in this lovely shopping mall, so we're going to see what there is to offer. So, we got a few things. We've just come off the road and Shirley's going to do now the haul of things that we got.
Okay, so first we're going to start with some snacks. So there's a Fanta orange and a Fanta fruit twist.
Yes.
And some honey roasted peanuts,
which we all love. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a joke. What do you call a peanut in a spacesuit? An astronaut.
Astronaut. Yeah.
And then yesterday I got 2 books. There's a Waterstones nearby, so I thought I'd just get some stuff to read, especially because I've finished uni now. Like I've got free time. So the first one is called The Vanishing Half. I started this yesterday and I'm 28 pages in. And the other one's called Natives. I saw someone post this on their Instagram story and it looked good, so I got that too. Can't wait to read. Then we have a bag. This is Tiger, but there's quite a few different things in there, so we'll go through. First we've got a milk frother. I always see these on TikTok for like when you're making coffee and stuff, and to go with that there's this caramel syrup. This is from Home Sense, which is like TK Maxx kind of. So you put this in your coffee, froth the milk, really nice.
For cold, is it for cold coffee?
Yeah, you can have it with hot too, but
With sweet cold. Sweet.
Sweet cream cold from what it's actually
Okay.
called from.
Then there's this hand and body wash. It's just a really nice bottle. This was also from Home Sense. It's plastic, but it's really hard, and it's like a dark brown colour. It's really nice.
Yeah, what's it called? Put it in the comments below if you know the colour. That this colour is trending in a lot of homeware.
Then there's some more snacks. These are Candy Kitten sour watermelon gourmet sweets.
Vegan.
Yeah. And then there's this game, Bowling Spill it's called, from Tiger. It's like a mini bowling thing basically. So that'll be fun to play. And then we've got some face masks. These are Superfood for Skin 7 face masks. There's tomato, green tea, beet, olive, coconut, kale, mangosteen. And they do different things. So like the tomato one is revitalizing, green tea soothing, beet moisturizing, olive refining, coconut nourishing, kale purifying, and mangosteen balancing.
I want kale.
I want whichever one can be eaten and tastes good. Coconut.
Face mask. But yeah, there's 7 in here, so that'll be fun. And that is everything for the haul.
Oh, what the? And that triple plate is?
Yeah.
Fish bread.
You've got like holes for
Open
your
it,
eyes.
open it fully.
So much ice. And for 15 minutes. So why this?
That's
Let's try some minutes.
Is it smell like what it says it's meant to be?
I don't know what.
What's yours? Coconut. You'll be able to tell if yours smells like
Is that over my eyes?
it. Can you see it?
Yes. Yeah.
If you could see then,
But
yeah.
I don't like it from my mouth. It feels
It's
special.
not meant to be on your mouth, it goes above. Look in the mirror and you'll see what you're doing.
So as if it's true.
Saucy.
Try that awful.
Saucy. Saucy.
Oh boy, stop on the word saucy. Smell the coconut.
There's my mask. There's Shelly's mask.
Is that the timer?
There's Joe's mask. And there's Julian's mask. So we put our face masks on, took some photos, and then got ready to play the game. So we're setting up our little game now, our little bowling game.
I can just about see what's happening.
Yeah. what do you call that?
Oh, so you meant to write down the score
Oh. And set it up
every
back.
time.
So may I play again?
Yeah, you get 2 goes per go.
Oh, but we're meant to leave them up.
Oh yes,
just
little
down.
down and so
yeah.
that you try and get the 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you get
You had
5.
2 and you still have 1 left.
You get another go?
No, that was 2. Can't you count? So that's it. We played our game, had some silly laughs. We leave you
What's
to
to go
watch the
next?
rest of it. But we enjoyed ourselves and each other's company. And then we checked out what our faces looked like after the face mask, and they looked exactly the same and felt exactly the same. Lisa and I, we had some oily faces afterwards, but otherwise it's fun, it's fine. Thank you so much for joining us once again with our Wednesday day date. This time all the way miles away from home in Brighton. We had a really good time. Breakfast wasn't all that, but it was a date anyway, and we enjoyed each other's company. See you next week. Lisa, say bye.
Might go next.
Bye.
You know, if you see nothing.
No, I'm meant to see where I'm pushing the ball. I can't even see where the ball is. Is that a strike?
No, you have 3
I
standing.
can't see.
Oh, sorry, you have 3 standing. She doesn't have
Where
her
are
glasses
they
on.
though? Where are they?
2
here.
and 1 there. So none in the
Oh.
middle.
I didn't do it. Oh!
Oh my.
You almost hit 1.
I saw it roll back. So I don't-
Right, my go. If I could make one like that but bigger. Just slightly bigger. Not, you know, they look too finicky. So who wants to review this game? And what's it called?
It's just called bowling, isn't it?
On the bowling. Finger bowling. Right, Lisa's go.
Okay.
All eyes on this.
Wow.
That's how you do it.
I already got a strike, I could see.
Put your glasses on.
No.
Yes.
No.
It's 5 minutes left.